So very good evening to Miss Pamela Tan. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving us the time, willing to spend time with me regarding the interview. So I, as a representative of my group, I would like to say thank you. And also, let me introduce myself first. My name is Georgina Libanana Gilbert Gucci, and I am a semester last student from College Pengajian Kejuruteraan Awam. And thank you, Ms. Pamela, again, for being with us, for being with me. So before we go further ado, why don't Ms. Pamela introduce yourself? What is your full name, company, role in your company? How many years you have been involved in the engineering industry, and also what are the projects regarding BIM that you ever handled. So, Ms. Pamela.
Okay, hello. Hello, Georgina.
Hello.
So my name is Pamela Tan. You can call me Fam. So actually, I'm a planner engineer in my company, which is DOM EEB, which is currently doing ART project in Kuching, Sarawak. And actually for BIM project, that our project actually involved in BIM project, which is they want to define the defect between between our department our department, which is our system and infra department. So currently we are using BIM for our project, and actually I start working at YTL, which is in Gemas JB project in Kluang, Johor. Actually, I start from my internship in 2021 until last year, before I move back to Sarawak lah. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Right, thank you. Okay, Ms. Pamela. Now we are going to move to our interview session, where I will be asking you the question that I have been given. They have been given to you through the message the other day, through chat the other day. So let us begin. Wait, let me share. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Can.
Can you see the question?
Can.
All right. Okay, let us begin now. Sorry for the little bit of technical issue just now. So let us begin. So this is section B, the impact of BIM on project quality. So as I can see here, you strongly agree on every of the questions. So let us begin with the first question. So Ms. Paula, how is BIM implementation has significantly reduced errors and discrepancies during the construction phase? So can you explain how?
Okay. Okay, Georgina. Actually, early BIM is like having a super detailed blueprint that everyone can work at the same time. It's help catch mistake early, such as clash detection, that make design more accurate and lets everyone plan construction smoother and saving their time and also money in the long run. Okay, that's all my answer. Next.
All right. Thank you. How about for the second one? So how is the use of BIM has improved the accuracy of construction document and drawings?
Okay, BIM is like a super power checker for your building plan. It's fine clash. Okay, for example, thin pipes in the way of wires before construction even start. Okay, this is can save more money and also your time by avoiding surprises later on and keeps everything on schedule.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Pamela. For the third one, for the third question is, how does the coordination among different stakeholders such as architect, engineers, and contractor, has been enhanced due to BIM?
Okay, actually BIM is a win-win win-win situation for everyone lah. It's improve our teamwork, which is everyone can work at the same plan, and also we can clarify our expectation, which is everyone can see the more detail in the project model and reduce the rework, which is we can find the problem early in the early stage, and this is lead to a smoother project by saving by saving time and our money, and it can be this lead to a smoother project, which is can save our time and money and a better final building. Okay, that's all.
All right, for the fourth question. So, how is the overall quality of construction projects that you have been involved with has improved significantly with the use of BIM?
Okay, working with BIM has transformed the way we approach the construction itself. The improved communication and coordination have led to significant boost in overall project quality.
All right, thank you, Miss Pamela. So down here also I see you wrote on the question where please share any other challenges you have experienced or anticipate with the impact of BIM on project quality, where you said that coordination between party is one of the challenges. This is because BIM modeling need enough info to produce it. Okay, I understand that. Okay, next we go to section C, where it talks about strategies for BIM integration during the planning stage. So far so good, Miss Pamela. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Don't worry.
Okay, let's start with the first question. Okay, how how does early integration of BIM in the project life cycle significantly improve project planning and design accuracy?
Okay, BIM. Okay. BIM with a live data is having a construction site supervisor on steroid. It's give you instant update on progress, help catch quality problem early, and keep everyone informed. This lead to a better decision and reduce your mistake and also a smoother building process overall. Okay, that's my
Alright.
answer.
All right, thank you, Ms. Pamela. And for the second question is, how utilizing BIM for clash detection during the planning stages minimize potential construction conflict and delays. So what do you have? What is your explanation on that?
Okay, for this one, BIM training for your team. It's like giving them superpower for your project, which is keep their keep their skill sharp with the latest BIM technologies, help them to avoid mistake, and makes working together easier. The more they know, the better can use BIM to get a top-notch building.
Right, thank you. Next answer. So the third one, how engaging all project stakeholders in BIM processes from the outset enhance collaboration and align quality expectation.
Okay, Georgina, for info, BIM cuts through the complexity of construction changes. It's create a single digital blueprint that everyone can access and update, ensuring everyone on the same page. BIM even checks for clashes between building element, virtuality to avoid costly mistake. This keep everything organized for smoother construction and a higher quality building.
All right. How about for the fourth question? How BIM driven simulation and visualization during the planning phase effectively forecast project challenges and outcome?
For this one, the implementation of routine BIM review coupled with stakeholder meeting throughout the construction phase serve as proactive strategy for quality control. This collaboration session facilitated
Facilitate. Is it?
Facil-
Facilitate.
facilitate. These collaboration sessions facilitate the timely identification and rectification of potential quality deviation. Early problem detection, minimize the rework, optimize project timeline, and ultimately foster the delivery of high performance building that align with established quality standards.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Pamela. For the fifth question is, how setting clear BIM goals and standard at the planning stage is crucial for achieving desired quality outcome? Ms. Pamela?
Okay, this beam can help construction run like a well-oiled machine. It's cut down a wasted material by showing exactly where needed and when. Plus, beam can catch error before they happen, so the right material get used in the right place. This absolutely can save our money, our time, and avoid a material mess.
All right. Thank you for Ms. Pamela for the section C A questions. All right. For section C, strategies for BIM integration during monitoring phase. I can see you answered everything as strongly agree. So let us start with the first question. And all right, let us start with the first question. So the first question is how real-time BIM data analysis enhance decision making and quality control during the construction phase. Ms. Pamela?
BIM with a live data is like a construction site sidekick. It's used real-time info to spot our problem before they happen, from missing material to building clashes. This means it's make a quick decisions, fewer, less mistake, and a smoother building overall. Everyone stay informed and they can work together for a better and leading to a top-notch building.
All right,
Yeah.
thank you, Miss Pamela. For the second question, how continuous BIM training for team members during the project ensure adherence to quality standards?
Regular BIM training keeps your team on top of the latest technology, allowing them to catch problem early for better quality construction. This training also promotes smooth collaborations and standardized workflow, leading to successful project and high performance building overall. Okay, that's all.
All right, thank you, Miss Pamela. And for the third question, how does BIM facilitates effective change management and documentation, maintaining project quality throughout the construction?
Okay, beams X. Okay, beams acts as a double threat against construction headache. By highlighting potential problem early on, like clashes between building parts, beams also allow for adjustment before construction even start. This saves money and time down the line, which is BIM also keeps everyone informed by creating a central hub for all project information. This means everyone has the latest update, reducing confusions and ensure a smoother building process with a higher quality result. In short, BIMs help catch error early and keeps everyone on the same page, leading to a better building.
Right. Thank you, Ms. Pamela. And for the fourth question, how does regular BIM reviews and stakeholder meeting during construction help identify and rectify quality issues promptly?
Regular BIM review and stakeholder meeting are like quality checkup for your building throughout construction. By reviewing the BIM model and meeting frequently, potential problems are identified early on, allowing for quicker fixes and avoiding costly rework. This open communication keeps everyone informed about project, process, and BIM update, fostering collaboration and proactive problem solving. Ultimately, these BIM check-ins ensure quality stay on track, leading to a smoother building process and a higher quality final project.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Pamela. And for the fifth question, how does utilizing BIM for logistic and resource management during the project, um, I think there's a continuous during a project, minimize waste and ensure quality compliance.
Baru, BIM. Actually, this BIM tackle waste and ensure quality control by streamlining logistic and resource management. With BIM, you can calculate exactly how much material is needed, preventing excess that end up wasted. Construction sequencing simulation within BIM allow for precise delivery planning, avoiding delays and the need for extensive storage. Finally, the detailed specification within this BIM model guarantee that the right material are delivered, reducing the risk of installing incorrect equipment. In a nutshell, BIM helps you use the right material at the right time, leading to cost saving, smooth the project, and less environmental impact from construction waste.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Pamela. All right, Ms. Pamela, this is for section C, part C. The strategies for beam integration during closure stage. So as I can see, you also strongly agree for all of the question that were given. So here I would like to hear some of your explanation. Why do you agree with everything? So for the first question, how does BIM provide comprehension documentation that facilitates a smooth project handover and closure process?
Okay, BIM is a handover hero. It acts as a central hub for all building info, from 3D models to manuals. This clear and complete handover package ensure a smooth transition for the new owner and empower them to efficiently manage the building, saving time and also money in the long run time. Okay, that's all.
All right, for the second question, how does the use of BIM during the closure stage ensure accurate and detailed as-built documentation for future references or maintenance?
Okay, BIM isn't just for building, it's for keeping things running smoothly afterwards too. BIM creates incredibly precise as built documentation reflecting any on-site changes for a clear picture of the final building. This become of this become a gold mine for this This become a gold mine of information for future tasks. Imagine a digital blueprint that tells you exactly where pipes, wiring, and everything else are located. Facilities managers can use this as build us build BIM's model to optimize building operations, plan maintenance, and identify potential problems before they cause any problem. In short, BIMs create a building manual for a smooth and successful lifespan, saving time and also money for years to come.
All right, thank you, Miss Pamela, for the explanation. Okay, all right, Miss Pamela, for the question number 3, how does feedback collected through BIM system at project closure is invaluable for continuous improvement in the quality on the future projects?
Okay, after a project is complete, BIM data allow you to analyze what worked well and what needs improvement. This feedback become a roadmap for future projects, leading to a continuous cycle of quality enhancement.
All right, thank you. For the 4th question, how does post-project analysis with BIM aids in identifying lesson learned and best practices for quality enhancement in subsequent projects?
Okay, don't let project knowledge disappear. Analyzing a project with BIM after it's finished uncover valuable insight. These lesson learned and best practice pave the way for even higher quality construction in future projects.
All right, thank you. And for the 5th question, how does BIM facilitates the effective resolution of any remaining issues at project closure, ensuring a high level of stakeholder satisfaction?
BIM doesn't work just because construction wrap up. It acts like a problem solver at the end too by identifying and resolving any last minute hitches with BIM. The project closure goes smoothly, ensuring all stakeholders are happy with the final product. This leads to a positive experience for everyone involved, from the owner to the construction team. Okay, that's all.
All right, Ms. Pamela, I can see here you also answered. Please share any additional thoughts or experience you have regarding the strategies for BIM implementation during the construction stages. And you said that BIM is easy for you because you can see the progress, and it is easy to present the progress status to management, client, and site engineering. All right. Thank you, Ms. Pamela, for spending your time answering our questionnaire. Kalau ada salah silap, saya nak minta maaf. Kalau ada kekurangan daripada saya. And I hope to see you again one day, and I hope to work in the same field with you one day. Thank you, Ms. Pamela.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Bye.